Yes, Ikwerre no be Igbo. Ikwerre no be Igbo. Ikwerre no be Igbo. Senator Azutambata, I hail you. Ekelere m gọfụma iwu nnekwute mmadụ ịkara aka na ọ nna gị mụrụ gị ịghọtago ndị ala this yeye ones wey dey shout say they no be Igbo, they no be Igbo. It's like somebody using beans to chop beans, like you buy beans, then you buy akara, you use two of them, they answer Igbo name and they deny Igbo people, say no be Igbo. No be that one, no, because no be Ogu be that. It be like so Ogu don't enter some of those guys. Make I tell on a guy, they know they beg anybody to be Igbo. Who you be, serve? If you know be Igbo, wetin you won't be. You know the shame. Una know the shame. Tell me wetin you be if you know be Igbo man. Guy, if Igbo person come out, you supposed to dey proud because we dey play big. I be Igbo man, undiluted one, strong one, conquer one. Wetin you wan talk? If I come out, make you come out now. Make you come out. I no be Ikwerre no be Igbo. Ikwerre no be Igbo. The other one wey dey for Delta. He say his name na Uchenna, but he say it's not an Igbo person. I look these people and say, this thing na juju they do now. If people like say juju don't enter this, juju don't enter on a bloodstream like this. Now no know what you wanna do. My brother, Azutambata, you don't shame all of on Abi. Even on elders, now everybody don't turn around, leave on behind, on a way be mumu. And the thing where they vest me be say, the people where they talk all this, not these young boys where no know anything, 20-something years, 30-something years, 40 years, you say no be Igbo. Waiting you know, which means you don't know anything. If you know get papa, if you don't know where your papa come from, my brother, you are a lost sheep in a Ferrari now, in on a wilderness, in whatever you know. And all these things in the moon, no be general one noon, because who not here recognize the bonus. You get the point now. So open your marrow your root, which means it can lead you to go and marry your cousin, your siblings, from distant siblings. You understand what I'm talking about? Your distant cousin, because you are denying your identity, your original, where you come from. The thing, sometimes when I listen and see some of these Ikwerre boys, these ones, I call you people a fulefu because you are lost. Anyway, thank you that Azutambata is now the PG of Ohaneze Igbo. Do you understand? The only thing I could pick from what has happened and what is going on among the Ikwerres and the ones in the Delta, they just need an inclusion. Do you get the point? It's very simple. They only want to be included. Guy, anybody will get Igbo person as a brother, as a friend. You get somebody. You get what I'm saying? Igbo people know they do small things. Anywhere where they show. You get? Anything where they do, they progress. And then they do them big. They are smart in anything you can think of. So why can't you align yourself with smart people? Okay, go and follow Fulani now where they shine Congo with the cow. The cow where they say give on. Then they do kriwa with the cow. Now the people where you go call your brothers, if you know be Igbo, you know be Hausa, you know be Yoruba, waiting you be, you know be anything. You get my point? That's all I'm trying to say. But to summarize what I'm saying and what I could deduce from everything people shouting they are not Ikwerre is not Igbo, Ikwerre is not this. The one in the Delta said they are not this. Even Asere Dokubo them, all of them are Igbos. All, put all of them together. They are all Igbos. But the thing is that you have long throat. When you say you are not Igbo, they will give you, they give you House of Rep. You say you are not Igbo, Hausa and Yoruba, they will bring you, yes, don't answer Igbo. If you answer Igbo, you're not going to get a position. You feel me? That is the only problem. But now, Azutambata is now the PG of Ohaneze. You see the Ikwerres are no more speaking. You know, Bros, let me tell you, we are all the same. We are brothers. There is nothing you can do about it. And again, we don't force nobody to be Igbo. We don't beg you. If you are not Igbo, you are nothing. Nothing. People, if you know how Igbos are valued in America, how they are valued in Europe, how they are valued in every part of the world, go to South America, they are doing very great. Everywhere they are doing great. Even though when you go to America, you hear that Nigerians are doing very great. It's Igbos. Go and ask questions. Search, Google, browse and check the names that are doing great. Igbos. Anywhere you go to all the African countries, see anywhere they are doing business, big business, it's Igbo people. If you don't want to be recognized with such people, then you are lost. Anyway, I understood you guys. Now you are included in Ohaneze and the group, the organization. So now it's making sense that you are now changing your mentality, trying to revert what you have said in the past. One day, ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye Igbo mana ị na-aza afọ onye Igbo, eriri ga-eri, chegharịa uche, chọọ your root, chọsie your root ike. Inweta your root, inweta n'ọnọdụ. Mana ọ bụ na inwetara your root, nwanne enwere ebe ị nọ. Ọ dị ka onye ji beans na-eri beans. You are eating beans and you are eating akara the same time. Not rice and beans, but beans and akara. That is what is playing. I will see you in comment section. I'm out of here, people.